Hi everyone. It's a Friday and it's actually the Good Friday here in the Philippines. And as you know, since we're celebrating the Holy Week, bawal maligo today. Because sabi nila, diba, the water is cursed. So that's why di pa ako naliligo, guys. Anyway, share ko lang. But what we're here for today is another blind bag opening. So we'll be selecting just one today. Which one should I pick? I am feeling this one. Let's try to guess kung sino member to. I have a feeling na this is... This could probably be Maloy or Gwen, feeling ko. And without further ado, I am now opening it. I'm opening it like how I'm opening Pokemon cards. May preview, guys! May preview. Okay. Why daw sa inyo yung preview? Ganito ko siya nakita. Papa ko muna. Wait. Ganito gata. Yan. Kaya ko siya nakita. So, as you can tell, it's Aya! Ang cute! So, it looks like this. And then you wrap your cord. And then you organize it like so. Paano? Teka, sira ba to? Parang usually, diba, dapat may snap to. Look, is mine broken? Is this broken? It looks broken. It is broken! What the hell? Dapat may pang snap siya eh. So, as you see, mine is broken, so I need another one. But yeah, I got Aya! National, wala akong ginawa dyan. It's really like that. So, if you're looking at my video right now, please send me another one. Replacement po. Okay na lang to. Replace nyo lang. Sige na. Thank you. Charing. But yeah, I'm just sad na sira siya. Pero, I'm still happy it's Aya kasi may kasamang photo card. Yay! Yun lang, guys. Happy Good Friday. I don't know what to say for the day. Basta yun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you tomorrow.